The price of gold is in an uptrend. The TrendPredator indicator shows us that it's a strong uptrend. Um, Having said that, we've got 3 weeks of rise. 3 weeks of rise, which could result in some deceleration. And in fact, we're actually stalling at the December highs. So let's see. So far, we're stalling at the December highs. We're having a retest as I speak. So keeping an eye on how the price behaves at this level. So on the indicator, it gives us the level monthly breakout. Breakout, BO stands for breakout. So we're breaking out of that level at the moment. Above there, we're bullish. Above the highs, obviously, from yesterday, we're bullish because we've broken out. We've broken out of last week's highs. So everything is stacked up bullish. It's early days yet in New York. The risk here is that although we're riding this bullish trend in late London trade, we do need to get above the high of Asia, because otherwise there's an argument that this here is resistance, as the TrendPredator indicator shows us. 8-hour fake out high, which is essentially the breakout of Asia, only to fail in the London Open, dropping back below Asia's highs. So let's see, I'd be interested in this for a continuation. If we get above the Asian highs again, and if we pull back and get support and a bullish setup, then this could continue higher. So it all depends on how the price behaves around the Asian highs. Very important level at this moment in time. Resistance for the moment. But so long as we're above last week's highs and the highs of last month, then there is the case for a continuation to the upside. So that to the downside is important versus the Asian highs. So you can zoom in the price levels, check that out for yourself. Depending on your broker, I can't give you the levels because I don't know what price your broker is at, but I mean, this broker here that I'm doing the analysis on is round about that, and that for your support, and this for your resistance. If we fail below the Asian high and then come back inside that potential support, I'll be bearish for a collapse back in towards yesterday's highs, around about 2.2714-ish. And then on a continuation, up into this area, this box, for a continuation to the upside perhaps. Just putting up the volume profile on the weekly charts. Lines up with that point of control. It's a naked point of control for a target on the day if it wants to continue higher. Again, this will depend on your broker, so it's not an exact science, but into these sort of areas. Those are the levels to the upside. 2750 in extreme, 2740 below that, $10 lower. We've already done $28 on the day. I mean, the targets are within range. The average range of gold on the day is about 30 something rather dollars, $32. We have got volatility in the markets with Trump and so on, so anything can happen. Canadian CPI is the major news on the calendar today. Okay, but those are the upside levels and these are my downside levels.